there some dangerous scandal in Taiwan? The answer is yes. However, who are they and how do they influence our society? We're going to reveal the true color of underground society of Taiwan Gatao. So here is our table of content. We'll separate in four parts. First of all, we'll introduce the movie Gatao. Second, we will introduce the composition of Gatao. Third, we'll be introducing the personal and cultural value. Last, we'll be talking about afterthought. Now, moving on to the movie Gatao. I'm going to introduce the meaning of the name Gatao. The regional factional underground society usually divides the domain to indicate the sphere of influence. Usually, Gatao will name after the name that area to denote themselves as the local power there, such as Dingzhuang and Hougang in the movie Gatao. However, originally the most prestigious leader in Gaxi, which means region, is called Gatao.
This is a complete composition of Gatao. Usually the gang leader will brothers of each other and have a few underlings at a lower status in their organization. Just like our homeroom teacher, she has many class officers to help her manage our class, and the recluse were under the control of those underlings. In the early days, organized gangs were composed of Chinese people who came to Taiwan, and they fight against the local Taiwanese gang. Nowadays, many of them were supported by strong political backgrounds and are engaged in the sex industry, gambling, and drug industry.
The members of Gatao were marginalized by society, and most of them are born under class. They are easily engaging in criminal activities. They joined Gatao to find their values. As a result, they use their ways to let other people know their worth.
Now, I would like to discuss the meaning and value of Gatao. Nevertheless, Gatao maintains the social norms of morality and justice. Somehow, the things that aren't able to do fair and square will be handed over to the gang in Taiwan. Gatao, who sticks to ethics and morals, deal with things with righteousness.
In lots of people's thoughts, Gatao did inferior things such as smoking, drugging, and even murdering. Therefore, the social concept is not friendly to the culture of Gatao. After knowing their culture, we acknowledged that Gatao is a subculture. Gatao culture is hard to be taken because it's a part of Taiwanese culture and improves the human touch in Taiwan.